Good morning, everyone. So, just about go to work, just go here and talk and share with everyone that my story from yesterday, and that made me happy. So I had a meeting with my student yesterday, and she shared with me that the thing make her happy and make she feel so much confident. And she said to me that she never can imagine that she can do this. Okay, what is the story? So this is she is hairstylist, and she have been doing hair for probably a few years now. But when she just start doing hair, and she charged for per service that like balayage or kind of service, she just roughly about 200 250. And she said to me that from in the last few months, she just announced with all her clients that her price going up. From 250, she say, yep, this time I go, my price going up. I asked her, so how much do you charge? She say 600 for balayage. I say, yes, do it. Because, when the person or the hairstylist or makeup artist, whoever, if you don't have the confidence, if you don't have the knowledge, so you cannot even talk with your client or share with them equally, you cannot put the price up. So to me that for who you are in new industry or you are having for a long time. So to me, what bring people into success? To me, that is everything is from confidence. Okay, confidence is everything. When you have the confidence, when you have the belief in yourself, you think you can do it, which means every day the action you do, it just lead into what you want to just, you know what I mean? So to me that the confidence is just everything. But if you ask me a question that how to build the confidence, here's my my opinion in here that the confidence that build a little bit every day. The confidence is not much people they born with confidence. It's not like confidence it come naturally. No, the confidence that like the skill need to working on it, build a little bit every day on it. That help you to build your confidence and build when you working on it, you learn something new, you take the action, you kind of like you make it work and you think you can do it. That is mean, hi Tina, that is mean you will be success. Because to me it's nothing else. If let's say this, if some client asks you a question and you don't know the answer, it's two things. If you don't know the answer, that's okay. It not everyone know everything, but the way you say, oh well, this is I don't know about this. I can have a look or research and I will get back to you. That is showing your client you are willing to learn and want to help them. Another way that if they ask you the question and you say, oh, I don't know, and stop from there. That is mean it doesn't make your client feel that you willing to help. Again, here's the thing. Always listen what client need and what they actually struggle with, and you listen them and try to research and build your knowledge every day. If you listen what client need, research about that, and give your client the solution. That is very simple way for you to build your confidence and your knowledge. Here's the thing, like I say, my student, she have been in hairdresser a few years, but here's the thing, at first, she doesn't know what to do, she doesn't know how to do it, but she joined to my course and I teach her step by step how for you to be confident to charge the right price, which means you do need to build your knowledge. Whatever your client asks you, you have to find a solution for them and help them. Day by day, she just learn a little bit and build confidence. And here's the thing she shared with me. Every day, new client come in and always give her that makes she feel happy, because the client say, oh, I'm so happy to see you because you are totally different with another hairdresser. You care about me. You share with me everything, but not much hairdresser share with me this. And her client say, I am going to do this. I will follow your suggestion. And someday she shared with me, when she shared with her client that how to maintain her hair at home, and when the client do it, and when she coming back, actually my student, she is actually very surprised how the hair beautiful condition and the hair look more healthier, and also the color it look amazing. Because she shared all her tips and tricks and how to maintain, which is blonde hair, how to take away with the brushing, and how to keep hair it healthy, how weekly. So which means those kind of things in my course are in my balayage dark or to blonde in one sitting. I give all of my students that guide step by step what to say, how to say, what to give, that it makes the client trust you in the first place. So to me, that back what I say, that where is the confidence come from? The confidence is from knowledge. Build a little bit every day. So if you are a hairstylist or a makeup artist, if you want to be success and you want to control your business, you don't want to the business control you. You want to work when you want to work, and how do you want to work, and who do you want to book. If that, learn, listen what your client need and give them solution. Every day a little bit. Learn one or two things per day. If you do that like the habit, when you do that like the habit, it get into the point that you get used to it and you build confidence day by day. You never know. Okay, start that today. Start that. Just learn one or two things. Just listen what your clients say, what they need for help, and help them. And that is the way for you to build your knowledge and build your confidence. And that I say again, to me, it's nothing like people say you have to be success, you have to be amazing skill, you have to be have a set up the luxury salon and look amazing. To me, that is after. But the number one thing to bring you success, that the confidence. The confidence and the knowledge. Just build that a little bit every day. Give you the confidence. When you have the confidence, you talk with your client trusts you, believe you, that's it. And then you can control, you can know who do you want to work with and when you want to work with. That is make you feel so much life more, like you live the life you love. You control with that. So that is for me today. We share with you that what make me happy from yesterday, and I help my student that she confident with that. She can charge the higher price. That is just that I share with you. So if you are caught up like you don't know what to do or how to build your success and how to control your business, not the business control you. Okay, learn take the action every day. Build your confidence every day. All right. So I just have the new Facebook group that where I can help my student how to build the luxury service and get booked out with the high-paying client. So if you click to the link below, you can join my Facebook group. And this is again only for hairstylists and makeup artists, not if you are not hairstylist and makeup artist, because inside I will talk more about business side for hairstylists and makeup artists. So happy Saturday everyone, and see you next time. Bye for now.